circumscribing. A circle with center. Center O है. Okay. Now,
Okay.
so can I say that AO EAO, just a second. Just a second. ABO and CBO. So this angle, basically, angle ABO will be equals to angle CBO. Suppose that it's angle 1. This angle, basically this angle ABO and angle CBO. Yes or no?
No. Yes.
Clear? Because
Yes.
tangents, if the tangents are equal, so angles will be equal. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yes. So this is your equation number 1. Okay. Second equation. So if this is your, let's writing angle 1. Clear? And
Mm.
BAO angle BAO will be equals to angle DAO is equals to angle BAO, this angle, and angle DAO, this angle will be equal. Suppose that naming is 2. Clear? Angle BCO and angle DCO. So it's 2, and angle BCO and angle DCO is 3 and 3. Angle BCO and angle DCO is 3. So suppose this is your equation number 3. Next is angle बचा angle ADO or angle CDO. Angle ADO is equals to angle CDO is equals to angle 4. So this is your equation number 4. So this is 4 and 4. Adil, why the angles are equal? Can you tell me?
Because tangents.
Because
Tangents.
because of the tangents. Because tangents are equal. B and C, these are the tangents. AB is the tangent, BC is the tangent, CD is the tangent, and AD is the tangent. Clear? Eh?
Yes.
Very good. And Adil, tell me this whole, what is the angle of this holes? What is the sum of this whole angle?
360.
360 होगा. Very good. So So what is the basically the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral, Adil?
360.
360. So can I say that if I add all the angles, I will get 360?
Yes.
Yes, obviously yes. So
Yes.
right, add all the angles. Okay. How many angles are there? Basically, if I basically can I take ABO twice, or you can say angle 1 as twice, because two angles are there. Angle 1 is twice a time. Angle 2 is twice a time. Angle 3 is twice a time. Angle 4 is twice a time. Is equals to 360?
Yes.
Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Yeah. So twice of, I can write it as twice of, basically let me write here, the sum of all angles of quadrilateral A, B, C, D is 360. Clear?
Yes.
Next will be, so I can write twice of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus of angle 4 is equals to 360. Yes or no? So angle
Yes.
1 plus angle 2, just a second. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree, because 2 से यहाँ divide हो जाएगा ना.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. And this angle center, angle BOA will be -2. And one more thing, Adil, in triangle COB or BOC, this triangle,
Yes.
angle, if I need to because देखो ये triangle बन गया ना एक. If I have two value, if I have basically the value of two angles, so how to get the third angle, which is this angle, what I will do?
Pythagoras.
Yes, Adil.
Pythagoras.
नहीं, पाइथागोरस की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. There is no need to Pythagoras theorem. तो देखो, some property of triangle.
Yes.
ठीक है, angles are property of triangle. So if you need to get the value of angle BOC, you will subtract the angle 1 and angle 3 from the angle 1 plus angle 3 from the equation. So suppose this is your fifth equation. Clear? Similarly, ऐसे ही आप दूसरे एंगल उसके साथ भी करोगे. COD,
Yes.
this angle COD. Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
So angle in triangle AOD, this triangle AOD, this angle left angle AOD will be calculated as 180 minus 2 and 4. Angle AOD will be equals to 180 minus angle 2 plus angle 4. This is your equation number 6. ठीक है, add 5th and 6th. Add equation 5 and 6. ठीक है, so angle AOB plus angle AOB AOD sorry AOD plus angle POC will be equals to 180 and 180 360 हो जाएगा दिल.
Yes.
माइनस ब्रैकेट में हम सारे एंगल्स को ले लेते हैं बिकॉज सब पॉजिटिव है, तो एक साथ ही हम लोग इसको ओपन कर देंगे. अब नाउ आदिल टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल 1 2 3 plus 4?
180.
180 ना. So angle of AOD plus angle BOC will be equals to 360 minus 180 degree. Will be equals to 180 degree. Now Adil, so basically we need to prove that the opposite sides subtend a supplementary angle. So it means that now see that thing, opposite sides है ना, AD and BC opposite sides है ना, so these are supplementary means इनका sum 180 होना चाहिए. So it means that they are making angle 180 degree, hence proved. Clear है?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
ठीक है, आदिल क्लियर है?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. ठीक है, अब तो कोई डाउट नहीं आदिल?
No.
श्योर?
Yes.
ओके चलो ठीक है, जस्ट अ सेकंड. सो ये चैप्टर तो हमारा हो गया, देखो डन. ठीक है आदिल, दिस चैप्टर इज डन. जस्ट अ सेकंड. आदिल, आपने इसके असेसमेंट कितने दिए हैं? आपने एक असेसमेंट दिया है इसका, सिर्फ सर्कल्स चैप्टर के 2 दे दिए?
I've done all.
टू टू असेसमेंट्स?
Yes.
पक्का? श्योर?
Yes.
जस्ट अ सेकंड, मुझे देखने दो एक दफा. सैटरडे में तो नहीं आदिल, आपने एक ही दिया है, क्योंकि सैटरडे में जस्ट अ सेकंड, जस्ट अ सेकंड, लेट मी चेक. आदिल एक ही हुआ है अभी तक तो आपका इसका.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो सो अभी क्लास के बाद जो ना एक असेसमेंट होगा आपका. ओके.
Okay.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. सो तो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करें आदिल?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग, एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल. इजी से चैप्टर है, ठीक है, अगली क्लास में ओवर हो जाएगा. थर्ड, आज ट्यूसडे ना, थर्सडे क्लास में ओवर हो जाएगा, बल्कि पहले ही हो जाएगा. ना ना, हाँ थर्सडे क्लास, लाइक इट विल टेक थर्सडेज क्लास. ठीक है. सो देखो, सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है आदिल इसमें, सिंपल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. सपोज दैट यू हैव टू सर्कल्स. सपोज दैट यू हैव अ सर्कल. ठीक है, दिस इज अ सर्कल आदिल. ओके.
Yes.
देखो Adil, suppose that this is just a second. So in circle there is a center as well. Adil, you have seen
Yes.
that how basically we have cut a cake in basically in like this manner.
Yes.
Okay. So basically एक तरीके से हमने केक को कुछ इस तरीके से डिवाइड किया है, लाइक पीसेस में, लाइक कुछ सेक्टर उसका निकाला है, कुछ पार्ट निकाला है, वी हैव बेसिकली टेकन आउट द पार्ट ऑफ दैट केक. क्लियर है?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So basically what you will do so what happen is that basically Adil, so it will have some angle. Basically this is angle, no?
Yes.
This angle will be theta something. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So basically Adil, this is called, basically this is a smaller part of the circle. Okay, and so this is called a minor sector. Clear?
Yes.
This is called a minor sector. So this is called minor sector. So remaining वाला क्या कहलाएगा आदिल, जो ये वाला सेक्टर है?
Major sector.
Major sector. Very good. This will be called as major sector. Okay. So Adil, we have to calculate the area of this sector. Basically, the total area of the circle is what? Can you tell me the area of the circle? How to calculate the area of the circle?
Pi r
Pi r
square.
pi r square. So Adil, that pi r square is for the whole circle. If we need a specific part of the circle which subtends some angle, we know the angle basically of that part. So there is a formula, there is a thing to calculate that area. Clear? For that sector.
Okay.
So, okay. So Adil, suppose, so that formula, area of minor sector will be calculated as theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Clear?
Yes.
This is the formula to calculate the area of the circle of minor sector. Clear?
Yes.
Sure, very good. So this is called minor sector and this is called major sector. In the same manner, there is a word called, suppose that a chord cuts the circle into some, like, okay, a chord will cut the circle, right? So so this portion will be called as this portion, this portion will be called as minor segment. Clear? And this portion will be called as major segment. Clear, Adil?
Yes.
This will be called as major sector and this will be called as minor sector, and this will be called as minor segment, major segment, and this is called as major segment. Sorry, minor segment. Yes, Adil?
Are they different?
Yes, obviously they are different. Segment is like this. Suppose that a line is cutting the circle, like a chord is cutting the circle. And sector means you have basically sent that sector, that part is making some angle with the center, at the center. Is there any angle included?
No.
No, na? This is a straight line chord cutting the circle.
Yes.
Yes. And this is the minor sector. It will have some angle at the center.
Yes.
Now, any doubt now?
No.
So basically, so that's what the major and minor sector is. So let's calculate some of the questions and do, like, basically do some of the questions so that to get the idea of the, okay. So let's do some questions so
No.
that you can apply the formulas, because इसमें कुछ theory नहीं है, ठीक है? Like it's very straightforward. One more thing is that this value from here to here, the length of this segment, the length of this arc, this is a kind of circular part now. So this called as arc. Clear? This is called as arc. Okay.
Okay.
And there's a formula to basically yeah. So I've told you the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. So let's do some questions. Yeah, I got some questions. Straightforward question. I'm also pasting the figure of this question. So this is the question. So Adil, this question is saying that you need to calculate the major sector and the minor sector as well. Find the area of the sector of the circle with radius 4 and angle theta. We have to calculate the first minor sector because the angle 30 is given for the minor now.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So R is given as 4 centimeter. Theta is given as 30 centimeter, 30 degree, sorry, 30 degree. Okay, we need to calculate the area of minor sector. Area of minor sector is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 30, 360 into pi value is 3.14 is given and 4 into 4. So it will cancel it by 12 times and 4 will cancel out it's 3 times. Clear? So this remaining is that 4 divided by into 4 divided by 3. So it will be somewhat equals to 4 point something because 3.14 divided by 3.3 is similarly equal. Okay, 4. It's equals to 4.18 centimeter square. Clear, Adil?
Yes.
Now, Adil, if I get the value of this area, how to calculate the remaining part? Can you tell me? Adil? If I have the value of this sector, minor sector, how to calculate the major sector?
I don't know.
So basically, can you do one thing? You have two methods to solve this, the major sector one. Either you can take like calculate the total area of the circle pi r square and subtract this one. So we'll get the remaining area. Or if this is 30, so remaining will be 330. You can use this formula for the major sector itself, but just the angle will be different. Why? Because the angle of the major sector is 330. Clear?
Yes.
So you have two approaches. So you can solve any of the approach. So let's do it. It's easier to calculate the whole area and subtract. It's pi r square is equals to 3.14 into 4 into 4. So 3.14 into 4 into 4 is 16. So it comes out to be 50.24 centimeter square. So area of major sector कैसे निकलेगा? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Clear है?
Yes.
So 50.24 minus 4.18. It comes out to be 46.5. 08 centimeter square. This is your answer. This is your answer. Is that clear, Adil? Adil,
Yes.
is it clear to you or not?
It's clear.
It's clear. I'm giving you one question, do it. So I'm giving you basically two questions. You have to do one by one. First, do this first one because we don't have enough time. So to calculate the area of the segment as well. So in the next class, we'll be taking the mixture of segment and sector. So first, we will doing the first normal questions of this sector, and then we'll be merging the sector and segment. Do this, Adil.
Yep.
Straight.
132 by 7.
132 by 7.
7.
चलो ठीक है, कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Radius is given as 6 centimeter. Theta is given as 60. ठीक है. So area of sector निकालने हैं. Simple formula है. Area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. So 360 by 360 into pi is not given. Pi is not given. So हम लोग को क्या ले सकते हैं? 3.14 ही ले लेते हैं because 22/7 का कोई factor ही नहीं यहाँ पे. 6 and 6. So it will calculate 6 times and it will be like this. So it comes out to be 6 4 the 24, 6 8 and 3 18.84 centimeters square. So you told me 132 by 7 na?
Yes.
So 132 by 7. हाँ सेम है, ठीक है, करेक्ट है इतना. Any doubt, Adil?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन और है. Do this one. Straight forward है, but थोड़ा सा आपको सोचना होगा. You have to think a little bit.
Can you do it?
Yes. Yes, Adil.
Can you do it?
चलो ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Adil, question is saying that circumference is given. So circumference is what? Perimeter, na?
Yes.
So can you tell me the perimeter of area? Oh, sorry, perimeter of circle, sorry.
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Perimeter of 2 pi r is given. Basically, perimeter of circle is given as 22 centimeter and 2 pi r into 22 by 7. Radius given hai?
No.
So basically, we need to calculate the radius from this. So from this equation. So it will be, radius will be your r will be equals to 7 by 2 centimeter. ठीक है, 7 यहाँ पे जाएगा and it will come here like 7 in the numerator and divided by 2. Clear है?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. Now we need quadrant. क्या होता है? What is quadrant, Adil, basically? So let's take this. Quadrant is the, so when you cut the circle into 4 equal parts, basically when you cut the circle into 4 equal parts, each part will be called as quadrant. I think you have done this thing in the coordinate geometry. You have seen also these things in the coordinate geometry.
Yes.
So the quadrant means it is making a 90-degree angle. This sector will be 90 degree of the 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
So now calculate the sector area. Now I've given the hint to you.
No. 77 by
77 by
8.
चलो ठीक है, let's calculate. So theta कितना होगा? 90 degree होगा.
Yes.
Divided by 360 into pi r square is, so 27, 2 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. ठीक है, 7 will cancel out this and 9 it will be 90 into 4, it's 360, so it will cancel out 4 times and it will be 11 and 2 will be left. So what is left is 77 by 8 centimeter square. That's your answer. Clear, Adil?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, so बेसिकली देखो, वी हैव स्टार्ट इस चैप्टर में स्टार्टिंग में जो ना इतना ज्यादा कुछ खास नहीं है, बट व्हेन वी डू दी मिक्सचर ऑफ सेगमेंट एंड सेक्टर, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास विल बी टेकिंग द होल क्लास फॉर दी, आई थिंक कल ही हमारी क्लास, आई थिंक सो कल वेडनेसडे है ना. सो आई थिंक वी हैव शेड्यूल्ड सम एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस फॉर यू टू कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस. सो इंशाल्लाह देखो कल क्लास होगी एंड देन वी विल बी डूइंग द दिस कंप्लीट चैप्टर इन द टुमारोज क्लास इटसेल्फ.
Okay.
ठीक है. सो हमारा